Welcome back to Livingstone Ranch. So I know I said I was going to start insulating the chicken coop, but I decided to do a few solar items first. So we got these solar lights. These are the same ones I have on the rabbit barn. It's on the outside, and so it'll come on uh, when it starts getting dark, and it'll be by the door here. So I'll put that in. And then I have these little solar fans here, and I'm going to have one blow in and one blow out. And so we'll get that all set up. And then I also got a solar chicken door. So we'll see how that goes. But I want to get all that stuff ready. I'd actually like to hide all these wires in the wall if I can, and do that before we do the insulation. All right, so now these fans will fit right in there. You're okay. You're okay. Hey, hey, you're okay. You're okay. It's okay. You weren't ready for that, huh? Yeah. Got the coop door. It's gonna be great. I wish they made these cords on the solar stuff a little bit longer. Every one of them's pretty short. That's long enough. I'm gonna have to put it up. Get it mounted already on the roof. But yeah, it just makes it. Okay, so we got everything run for the solar. I don't have the panels up or anything. I don't need them up right now. I have this one here. This one goes to the coop door, and that'll go on the roof. And this one here also will go on the roof. And that one is for those fans. And then behind me, right here, we have a light. And that wire is coming out on the side here, and I'll just have to mount these like this on the fascia when I put that up. And then the other light is going to go right here, and that's nice because this is where I have my water. And so I've always wanted a light right here. They're not super bright, but it'll be enough to make it worthwhile. So anyway, this is all of our solar stuff that we put on. You can see the coop doors in right there. Well, the door's not in, but the frame is. And yeah, we're all set there. So now we can actually start insulating. Anyway, keep watching Livingstone Ranch. Thank you. Subscribe.